Okay guys, today we'll be talking about how to uninstall a WordPress theme directly from your C.Panel. You want to uninstall your WordPress theme from your C.Panel, watch this video carefully, and after watching this video, make sure you do what? You click on the like button and also do what? Subscribe to my channel, so that when I release such videos, you will be able to get notifications that such videos have been released for our learning and understanding about everything WordPress, everything web development, everything HTML. Okay guys, let's get into the laptop and do it right now. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So if you want to uninstall your WordPress theme, you've already installed the WordPress theme and you want to uninstall it from your C.Panel, the best thing for you to do is to log into your C.Panel. As you can see, I've logged into my C.Panel. This is my C.Panel. So right here, we can actually go back to the dashboard of the C.Panel, which is this place. So once you are here, right on your C.Panel, the first thing you need to do is to look for File Manager. It's either you look for File Manager, this is it here, or you come to the search bar and search for File Manager. If you search for File Manager here, it will show up. Once you search File, you can see there is File Manager showing here. So click on your File Manager and wait for it to open. Once it opens, under this place, public_HTML, you will see here, it's either you click here just on this file, click on it, or you come to this place and look for the name of your website. Once you find the name of your website, that's your domain name, then come here on this file and double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will open, it will bring you down to this place. Then go to WP content. This is WP content. Come to WP content and click on this place, not from here, click from this place, double click here, then it will open. You are seeing themes. Now we are on the themes. It's showing you themes. Right on the themes here, click on this place and it will open. This is the themes, the theme you have here already. We have a theme here already. So if you want to delete this theme, what you need to do is come here and click on select all. Once you click on select all, come down here and right click, then click on delete. Once you click on delete, all the whole themes here will be what? Deleted. Okay guys, that is how to delete your WordPress theme from your WordPress C.Panel. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and before you go, make sure you like this video and click on the subscribe button, so that when I release more videos that are like this, you'll be able to get notified by YouTube that a good video has been uploaded for you to watch, and all of us will learn together. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Take care and have a great day.